Hi there students. I was asked to make a video about the j sound. This sound normally appears in the word usually. Okay, so how do we make this j sound? Okay, your tongue at the back of your mouth is flat, and then it comes down a little bit at the front, and you make a vibration. Okay, this is your front lip in this area here. It comes from your throat. It's a voiced sound, so you need to hear something from your throat. Usual. And your bottom lip, you are pulling it up. Usual. Your top lip is rounded and quite relaxed, but this bottom lip is pulled together and pushed back in. And then it comes from the back of your throat. You push from the back of your throat, and there's a vibration inside. Okay, so you're also pulling your cheeks outwards a little bit. Usual. Okay, this sound normally appears in words that end I-O-N, like invasion or decision, okay, or collision, yeah? Words that end I-O-N or S-I-O-N. It also appears in words that end S-U-A-L. So visual. It sounds almost a little bit like a J. Visual. Casual. Yeah? Or also words with G-E in it. So genre. Notice that is at the beginning of the word in that case. Genre, or beige, or collage, or mirage. Okay? So, j sound. And then it also comes in words that end S-U-R-E, like exposure, disclosure. Okay, so you need to practice the j sound. Yeah, your lips pulling up here. So, usually the conclusion of an invasion is a visual decision to measure the casual disclosure. Okay? A mirage of a collision. A beige visual conclusion. Usually, invasion, conclusion, decision, visual, exposure, genre, beige, mirage, measure, collision, casual, disclosure. Okay? So, you practice the j sound. So that's enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.